The heavenly aroma still hung heavy in the house, but it was gone, all gone. No turkey sandwiches, no turkey salad, no turkey gravy, turkey hash, turkey a la king, or gallons of turkey soup. Gone, all gone. Hi, I'm Greg. Wait a minute.
I'm Greg.
I'm Scott, and we are two hungry naturalists. And today we're talking turkey. We're going to be learning about turkeys. We're even going to be cooking some turkey in one form or another. So we hope you'll join us for this very first episode. And we hope that after you watch it, you don't run away being scared, crying in fear, any of those things. We haven't had a makeup artist, none of that stuff today. So we hope you enjoy it. While we're starting our turkey sausage for our biscuits and gravy, I told you we were going to cook turkey today. We're going to attempt to answer some questions emailed to us by our loyal Metro Parks visitors. Greg, what's our first question?
Our first question comes from Angela, who asks, what is the biggest turkey you've ever seen? The answer is a 170-pound turkey with a gray beard and bug glass.
Where?
I don't know where.
Where?
Anyway.
A little butter, a little flour. I'm gonna make a roux. Now, we baked some biscuits earlier, straight from the can, but in the Dutch oven. So all I'm doing is melting this butter and the flour. It'll kind of come together. Then I'm gonna add some milk and stir it up, make a gravy. Add a little salt, add a little pepper, and we're going to eat a little lunch right here. Okay, with us today is Catherine Mendel, who does some research on wild turkeys at Ohio State University, and she's also a wonderful Metro Parks volunteer. And she's here to answer some other questions, just in case. So, we're going to start off. MJ asked, are white turkeys ever found in the wild? Well, yes they are, okay? They pop up occasionally, they don't survive that well, but there are white turkeys, and there is an incredibly rare Arctic white turkey that polar bears hunt. What?
Actually, Scott,
Wikipedia was wrong?
Yep. Wikipedia failed you again this time. There are no white turkeys in the Arctic, there's no white species of turkeys, and polar bears definitely don't hunt them.
And the next thing you know, you'll tell me there are no mermaids.
And you call yourself a naturalist.
I do. Now, if I was at home, I might do some hot milk because it doesn't clump up as bad. But since it's probably a wind chill of 18 degrees right now, we're going to go this way. Now, we just got to let it come to a boil a little bit. We'll add a little pepper because you can almost never have too much pepper. It's cold enough today, I'd kind of like to hibernate. But turkeys don't hibernate. So.
Wait. Now it's time for me to ask you two turkeys a question. Our next question comes from Dinah. She wanted to know why Ben Franklin wanted the turkey to be our national bird and not the eagle.
Well, that's easy. Have you ever eaten an eagle? Ugh. Well, you violate federal law when you do that too.
Actually, Benjamin Franklin argued that the wild turkey and not the bald eagle would be a better bird of choice for our national bird. He wrote in a letter to his daughter, "For my own part, I wish the bald eagle had not been chosen as to represent our country. He is a bird of bad moral character,
like him,
stealing fish from other birds, and the turkey is a much more nobler species."
Like me.
Oh boy.
I don't want in between this.
So, this is sausage gravy. We're going to get the biscuits out in a little bit. It's not quite thick enough yet.
So here we are at Three Creeks Metro Park, the two hungry naturalists enjoying our meal of biscuits and gravy, turkey sausage gravy that is, and we hope that you can join us for another episode of
Two Hungry Naturalists.
Thank you for joining us today.